You could be getting more out of the drum exercises that you already know. Let's find out what you can do to stay engaged and help your musicianship using an easy warm-up as an example. Here we go. Let's talk about 5 ways you can use this exercise to work on different aspects of your drumming. I'll put a link to a play-along video where it'll be this exercise at different tempos. Sometimes it's good to escape the click and play along to something where it feels like you're playing in a group. Besides playing with the click on quarter notes, try using a different type of division. Now, since this warm-up is in 3, using half notes as the click gives it a different kind of feel. Changing the division might change the way that you hear the phrase, which in turn might change the way that you play the phrase. It's also a great way to work on your timing. When we think about speed, we usually gravitate towards going faster. But if we slow down the tempo, that's also a great way to work on your timing. Focusing on how you move around the toms can have an effect on your speed and your tone. If you have a nice smooth movement around the toms, it'll be easier to play faster. Here's an example of playing very stiff versus having a more smooth movement. Good motion will help your tone. If your hand is in the correct position to strike the drum, you're going to be able to get a full sound from that drum. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Something that's often overlooked, especially by us drummers, is dynamics. We don't have to play loud all the time. In fact, playing quieter can be a lot harder than you might think. So we can do some dynamic variations with this warm-up. We can start off by playing quiet the whole time. We can try to crescendo. And we can try to crescendo with just our hands while keeping our feet loud. So there are more than 5 areas of focus. These were just some examples that I came up with today. So go ahead and try to make up your own variations within these 5 areas and find some new areas of focus on your own. Create your own variations and just have fun with it. I hope this video, oh my God, this fly. This fly wants to be on YouTube. I hope this video gave you some ideas on how you can do more with the warm-ups that you already know. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like. If you hate flies, give it a like. If you want this fly to die, give it a like. I'll see you next time. Bye.